The greatest leader is not the one who does the greatest things. He is the one who gets the people to do the greatest things. By Ronald Reagan. A very hearty good morning to everyone present here. A true leader is defined by his ability to take decisive actions while maintaining focus on the ultimate goal. The young aspirers gearing up to be the leaders of tomorrow should realize that every adversity, every failure carries with it the seeds of an equal or greater benefit. MUN platforms provide an excellent aid to the youth of today in realizing the potential in them and changing the future for the better. Therefore, let us set the ball rolling and invoke the blessings of the Almighty with an invocation song by the school choir led by Mr. James.
In my dream, children sing a song of love for every boy and girl. The sky is blue and fields are green, and laughter is the language of the world. Then I wake and all I see is a world full of people in need. Tell me why does it have to be like this? Tell me why is there something I miss? Tell me why I don't understand when too many things about it. We don't give a helping hand. Tell me why. Every day I ask myself, what will I have to do to be a man? Do I have to stand and fight to prove to everybody who I am? Is that what my life is for? To waste it, a world full of war. Tell me why does it have to be like this? Tell me why is there something I have missed? Tell me why. 'Cause I don't understand when so many need somebody. We don't give a helping hand. Tell me why. Tell me why. Tell me why. Just tell me why.
Thank you, Mr. James, for that melodious song. Next, I would like to invite Miss Devika of Grade 10A to render the welcome address.
The United Nations is a preeminent institution of multilateralism. It provides a forum where sovereign nations can come together to share problems, address burdens, and seize common opportunities. By Shashi Tharoor. A very good morning to everyone. I, Devika, would like to extend a hearty welcome to our principal, Reverend Father Benny Matthew, our visionary and empowerer at all times and in all ways possible. A hearty welcome to you, Father. It is my privilege to welcome the chief guest of the event on behalf of my school. We are lucky to have the distinguished presence of Mr. Suhas Savio Emma, the anti-corruption consultant at the UN Office on Drugs and Crimes, Vienna, Austria. A joyous welcome to you, sir. Secretary General Mr. Karan Suresh, who beside being a final year medical student, is an entrepreneur, guiding students from schools and colleges to excel in extracurricular activities. He uses these earnings to help students from underprivileged backgrounds and helps college students with passive income. Aside this, you can find him reading a book, watching Formula One, or listening to rock music. We welcome you, sir. We also welcome his executive board, consisting of Mr. Tarun Ashok, who is serving as the chair of United Nations Security Council, Ms. Mariam Murtaza, who is heading the World Health Organization, Ms. Naga Vaishnavi Bhaskara, who will be serving as the chairperson of Commission on the Status of Women, Mr. Nikhil Anand, who will be heading the United Nations General Assembly. All the best, team, for you are a blessing for young minds, for enlightening them to build their dreams. Here is a warm welcome to Mrs. Chandralekha, the educational consultant, Mrs. Rose D'Souza, the headmistress, Mrs. Bindu Pillai, the high school coordinator, Mrs. Litty, the primary school coordinator, Mrs. Anuraga, the nursery school coordinator, teachers, parents, fellow delegates, and friends. Anthony Claret School is proud to present its first ever virtual edition of the Anthony Claret Model UN 20 amidst a pandemic. Thanks to MUN to create such opportunities for students to contribute budding steps towards creating a better world. Through this, a platform is created for the incipient leaders of tomorrow to speak up about their countries assigned to them and to hash out on dominant worldly issues so that an innovative and practical set of solutions are unmasked to discuss and mull over. In this entire process, the delegates get to sharpen their debating skills such as style, etiquette, tone, diction, and fluency, and much more, which will help them communicate potential pointers without a whole lot of fillers and stumbling. After all, communication, the human connection, is the key to personal and career success. Thank you.
Thank you, Devika, for your warm address. Next, I would like to invite Reverend Father Benny Matthew, our beloved principal, our Secretary General, Mr. Karan Suresh, Ms. Hema Raghu, the head of the Social Science Department, head boy Vivian P. Varghese, and head girl Shreya Johns to light the inaugural lamp. Thank you, Father, Mr. Karan Suresh, Mrs. Hema Raghu, Vivian, and Shreya. Next, I would like to request our beloved principal, Reverend Father Benny Matthew, to address the gathering.
His Excellency Dr. Karan, Secretary General ACMAN 2020, distinguished chairpersons, dignitaries present here, AC wonders, ladies and gentlemen. I extend a warm welcome to the enthusiastic group of vibrant delegation of the dignitaries who are engaged in sorting out the global issues in today's ACMAN. Thank you so much for your active participation and the support extended to conduct ACMAN. Your participation is very important. You are being provided with the opportunity to raise your voice on the stand you have taken to deal with the global issues. Remember that you are chosen as the ambassador of the change that you wish to see in the world today by creating a strong social network among the like-minded teenagers around the world. By participating in the AC MUN, you accept the challenge to become the leaders of the future world. You are all young and enthusiastic with a lot of creative thinking and innovative approaches to confront the challenges that the global community is facing today. Dear teen delegates, AC MUN is thankful to all of you for your participation and commitment. Let me wish you all a pleasant experience and a fruitful session here at AC School. I would like to congratulate and appreciate the Social Science Department who are coordinating this event. Once again, let me extend a hearty welcome to all our MUNers and all the best and God's blessings on all the participants. Thank you.
Thank you, Father, for those enlightening words. Now we proceed to introduce our excellent executive board. First up, we have the chairperson of the CSW, Ms. Nagavaishnavi Bhaskara. Apart from being a prolific debater and a final year medical student, Ms. Nagavaishnavi loves the unseen and the unknown and attempts to use scientific temper to explain unknown phenomena. Ma'am has also won numerous national debates and MUNs. We welcome you, Ms. Nagavaishnavi.
Greetings, delegates. I'm Vaishnavi Bhaskara, a final year medical student at WIMS and RC Bangalore. I welcome you all to the Anthony Claret MUN 2020. It is often said that feminism isn't about making women strong. Women are strong as is. It's about changing the way the world perceives this strength. And in order to provide for an environment where women don't just survive but thrive, it is important to ideate on, address, and discuss pertinent issues that govern the transition from girl to womanhood, which is exactly what our agenda at the Committee on the Status of Women is all about. The negative effects of child marriage on the overall health of girls and international efforts and policies to curb the same. I eagerly look forward to engaging with you about this and once again extend a very warm welcome to each one of you.
Next, we have the chairperson of the WHO, Ms. Mariam Jaza Murtaza. She is a second-year medical student pursuing her MBBS at Vaidehi Institute of Medical Sciences, Bangalore. Being an aspiring doctorpreneur, Ms. Mariam believes in the concept of lateral thinking and gaining insights from various sources to obtain a better worldview of society. We welcome you, Ms. Mariam.
Hello delegates, my name is Mariam Jaza Murtaza and I'm a second year medical student at Vaidehi Institute of Medical Sciences, Bangalore, and I'm going to be the chairperson for the World Health Organization at ACMUN 2020. I'm looking forward to seeing you all in committee for some fruitful debate. All the best and I'll see you there.
Next, we have the chairperson of the UNSC, Mr. Tarun Ashok. He is best adorned as a humble, charismatic and witty 12th grader who also serves as the commerce captain of his school, NPS Indiranagar. Having won and chaired at many MUNs, his passion lies in chasing the way political discourse is conducted in the status quo. We welcome you, Mr. Tarun.
Is Nicolas Maduro a dictator? Did socialism fail in Venezuela? These are just two out of the various questions that I hope to see answered in the coming days. Greetings, delegates. I'm Tarun Ashok, and I currently study in class 12 of National Public School in Indiranagar. The Security Council is undoubtedly the most powerful organ of the United Nations, and with great power comes great responsibility. In the coming days, I look forward to debate, discussion, diplomacy, and deliberation, and also hope to see fruitful solutions being delivered to the agenda at hand. With this, I'd like to extend a warm welcome to all delegates to the Security Council of Anthony Claret MUN 2020.
Now, we have the chairperson of the UNGA, Mr. Nikhil Anand. Aside of being a prospective lawyer at the Christ School of Law, Bangalore, he is extremely well known as one of the best crisis delegates in the Bangalore circuit. His keen interests also include public speaking, parliamentary debates, international law, personality competitions, and music. We welcome you, Mr. Nikhil.
Hey guys, my name is Nikhil Anand. I'll be serving as the chairperson of the DISEC. A little about me. I've been part of the circuit for about 4 to 5 years. I've delegated in over 20 conferences. I've chaired in over 20 conferences. All I would say is have fun, research well, just come well prepared to committee, and don't be afraid to voice your opinions, but as diplomats of nations that you're representing at a global platform. Thank you.
Now, I would like to call upon our respected Secretary General, Mr. Karan Suresh, to address the gathering.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, Reverend Dr. Father Benny Matthew, teachers, and distinguished delegates. It is my pleasure to welcome you to Anthony Claret Model UN 2020. As you know, the world is in strife right now as a pandemic continues to rage on, and in the midst of this, we have established 4 committees at AC1 to ensure that students deliberate and discuss some of the most pertinent issues we can to tide past our time of crisis and to get on to better times where we can ensure there is world peace in international security. Thank you.